Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on network topologies and types. In this video, we'll be discussing what network topologies are, the different types of network topologies, and the different types of networks. Firstly, what is a network topology? A network topology refers to the physical or logical layout of a computer network. It defines how nodes in a network are connected to each other and how information flows between them. There are different types of network topologies, and we will explore each of them in detail. Number 1. Bus topology. A bus topology is a type of network topology where all devices are connected to a single cable called the bus. This cable acts as a backbone for the network, transmitting data between all connected devices. In a bus topology, devices communicate with each other by sending data packets along the bus. When a device sends a packet, all other devices on the network receive it. However, only the device that the packet is intended for will process it, while the others will ignore it. One advantage of bus topology is its simplicity and low cost. It requires less cabling than other topologies, making it ideal for small networks. However, it is also less fault-tolerant than other topologies, as a single cable failure can bring down the entire network. Number 2. Star topology. A star topology is a type of network topology where all the devices are connected to a central hub. The hub acts as a connection point for all the devices in the network. This topology is commonly used in local area networks, LANs, and is known for its reliability and ease of maintenance. In a star topology, if one device fails, it does not affect the rest of the network. This is because each device is connected to the hub individually and not to each other. This makes it easy to troubleshoot and repair any issues that may arise. Additionally, new devices can be added to the network easily by simply connecting them to the hub. However, the reliance on the central hub can also be a weakness of this topology. If the hub fails, the entire network will be affected. Additionally, the cost of the hub can be higher than other topologies, such as a bus topology. Despite these potential drawbacks, the star topology remains a popular choice for LANs due to its reliability and ease of maintenance. Number 3. Ring topology. A ring topology is a type of network topology where each computer or device is connected to two other devices, forming a circular network. In this setup, data travels in one direction around the ring, passing through each device until it reaches its destination. This type of topology is commonly used in local area networks, LANs, and is known for its reliability and efficiency. One advantage of a ring topology is that it does not require a central server or hub, which can be a single point of failure in other network topologies. Additionally, data transmission is fast and efficient, as each device only needs to pass on the data it receives to the next device in the ring. However, if one device in the ring fails, the entire network can be affected, as the data cannot be transmitted past the failed device. Overall, a ring topology is a reliable and efficient network setup that is commonly used in LANs. While it does have its drawbacks, such as the potential for network failure if one device fails, it remains a popular choice for many organizations due to its simplicity and efficiency. Number 4. Mesh topology. A mesh topology is a type of network topology where each node is connected to every other node in the network. This means that there are multiple paths for data to travel between nodes, which can increase the reliability and speed of the network. In a full mesh topology, every node is directly connected to every other node, while in a partial mesh topology, only some nodes are directly connected to every other node. One advantage of a mesh topology is its fault tolerance. Because there are multiple paths for data to travel, if one node or connection fails, the network can still function. This makes mesh topologies a good choice for critical systems where downtime is not an option. However, the downside of a mesh topology is the complexity and cost of the network. With so many connections, it can be difficult to manage and troubleshoot. A mesh topology is a powerful networking solution that offers high reliability and fault tolerance. While it may not be the best choice for every situation, it is worth considering for critical systems where uptime is essential. Number 5. Hybrid topology. A hybrid topology is a type of computer network that combines two or more different topologies. This is done to take advantage of the strengths of each topology and minimize their weaknesses. For example, a hybrid topology may combine the star and ring topologies. In this case, the star topology provides centralized control and easy management, while the ring topology provides redundancy and fault tolerance. One of the benefits of a hybrid topology is that it can be customized to meet the specific needs of a network. This means that it can be designed to provide the best performance, reliability, and scalability for a particular application. Additionally, a hybrid topology can be expanded or modified as the network grows or changes. However, a hybrid topology can also be more complex and difficult to manage than a single topology. It requires careful planning and design to ensure that the different topologies work together seamlessly. Additionally, the use of multiple topologies can increase the cost of the network, as it may require additional hardware and software. Moving on to the different types of networks. Number 1. LAN. A LAN, or local area network, is a computer network that connects devices within a limited area, such as a home, office building, or school campus. It allows for the sharing of resources, such as printers, files, and internet access, among the connected devices. LANs typically use Ethernet cables or Wi-Fi to connect devices to a central hub, such as a router or switch. This hub manages the flow of data between devices, ensuring that each device receives the information it needs. LANs are commonly used in businesses and schools to facilitate communication and collaboration between employees or students. They also provide a secure and efficient way to share resources and data within a closed network. Number 2. WAN. A wide area network, WAN, is a type of computer network that spans over a large geographical area, connecting multiple local area networks, LANs, together. WANs are commonly used by businesses and organizations to connect their offices and facilities located in different cities or countries. WANs are typically operated by telecommunications companies or internet service providers, ISPs, who provide the necessary infrastructure and services for data transmission. These networks use a variety of technologies such as leased lines, satellite links, and microwave connections to transmit data between locations. One of the main advantages of WANs is that they allow for the sharing of resources and information between geographically dispersed locations. This can improve collaboration and productivity among employees, as well as reduce costs associated with travel and communication. However, WANs also require careful management and security measures to ensure the confidentiality and integrity of data transmitted over the network. Number 3. MAN. A metropolitan area network, MAN, is a computer network that spans a large geographical area, typically covering a city or a town. It is designed to connect multiple local area networks, LANs, and provide high-speed communication between them. MANs are typically used by organizations that have multiple locations within a city or town and need to share resources and data between them. They are also used by internet service providers, ISPs, to provide high-speed internet connectivity to businesses and homes. MANs use a variety of technologies such as fiber optic cables, microwave links, and wireless connections to provide high-speed communication between the connected LANs. They are an important part of the modern communication infrastructure and play a vital role in connecting people and businesses in urban areas. Number 4. WLAN. A WLAN, or wireless local area network, is a type of computer network that allows devices to connect to the internet without the need for physical cables. It uses radio waves to transmit data between devices, such as laptops, smartphones, and tablets. WLANs are commonly used in homes, offices, and public spaces, such as airports and coffee shops. One of the main benefits of WLANs is their convenience. Users can connect to the internet from anywhere within the network's range, without having to worry about plugging in cables or finding a specific location to connect. WLANs also allow for greater mobility, as users can move around freely while staying connected to the network. However, WLANs can also be vulnerable to security threats, such as unauthorized access and data interception. It is important for users to take measures to secure their WLANs, such as using strong passwords and encryption protocols. Overall, WLANs are a convenient and efficient way to connect to the internet, but it is important to be aware of their potential security risks. Number 5. VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, is a technology that creates a secure and private connection between two devices over the internet. It works by encrypting all data that is transmitted between the devices, making it impossible for anyone to intercept or read the data. This is particularly useful for individuals and businesses that want to protect their online privacy and security. VPNs are commonly used to access websites and services that are blocked in certain regions or countries. By connecting to a VPN server located in a different country, users can bypass these restrictions and access the content they need. Additionally, VPNs can be used to protect sensitive data such as financial information, passwords, and personal data from hackers and cybercriminals. Overall, VPNs are an essential tool for anyone who values their online privacy and security. They offer a simple and effective way to protect your data and access the content you need, no matter where you are in the world. Number 6. SAN. A storage area network, SAN, is a specialized high-speed network that provides block-level access to data storage. SANs are typically composed of hosts, switches, storage elements, and storage devices that are interconnected using a variety of technologies, topologies, and protocols. SANs are designed to provide centralized, high-performance storage for mission-critical applications and data. They offer several advantages over traditional storage architectures, including improved scalability, availability, and performance. SANs can also simplify storage management by allowing administrators to manage storage resources from a single console. Overall, SANs are an essential component of modern enterprise storage infrastructures. They provide the high-performance, high-availability storage that businesses need to support their critical applications and data. As data volumes continue to grow, SANs will become even more important in ensuring that businesses can meet their storage needs. Number 7. PAN. A personal area network, PAN, is a type of network that is used for communication between devices in a small area. It is designed for personal use, such as connecting a smartphone to a computer or a printer. PANs are typically created using wireless technologies such as Bluetooth or infrared. They can also be created using wired technologies such as USB. One of the main advantages of a PAN is that it allows devices to communicate with each other without the need for cables or wires. This makes it convenient for users who want to transfer files or share data between devices. Another advantage is that PANs are typically easy to set up and use, making them accessible to a wide range of users. Overall, a personal area network is a useful tool for personal communication between devices in a small area. It offers convenience, flexibility, and ease of use, making it a popular choice for many users. In conclusion, understanding network topologies and types is crucial for designing and managing computer networks. Each topology and type has its advantages and disadvantages, and selecting the right one for your needs will depend on various factors like cost, reliability, and scalability. I hope this video has been informative and helped you understand network topologies and types better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.